Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change recording quality on OBS. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you ever hit record on OBS and end up with a video that looks blurry, choppy, or way too heavy to upload. Yeah, you're not alone. OBS is insanely powerful, but it doesn't come with default perfect OBS recording settings. The right recording setup depends on what you're recording, where you'll use the video, and how powerful your system is. So in this video, we'll show you how to set up your recording quality, change your recording quality on your OBS. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our disk OBS. After that, you can go to settings. From settings, you can select on output, output, and output. You'll find there is an option, there is an section recording. And here you can change the recording path where you want to save your recording on your device. And also here's the recording quality. You can change your recording quality in here. If you want high quality recording, you can choose on high quality. If you choose on high quality, so the medium file size. If you choose indistinguishable quality, the file size will large and also lossless quality. Here's, but I will recommend to you to use high quality with medium file size, and also the recording format is Matroska Video MKV. Here's the video encoder software. You can follow my recording setup on my OBS like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your recording quality on OBS. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.